and slow down. So we're gonna make a fast approach and landing. Thankfully, yeah, we'll go. So we have the Lszh localizer here, the glide slope, the vertical glide slope, our airspeed, vertical glide slope, horizontal, the barometric altitude, our rate of descent, and the radio altitude, 1,500 feet above the ground level. I just need to descend a little bit further. Higher descent rate here and align with the Lszh localizer. 500, 50, 30, ready, 10. Here we are, just touched down off the ground. Use the parking brake and reverse thrust and slow down the aircraft. And here we are, just landed, very nice. Maybe I have to go take off, go around now. Use a takeoff, go around. But I have no video time to show you everything, but we made the touchdown into the runway for this flight. So you can see it was successful touchdown. The nose wheel is also safe, and the landing gear is safe, as you can see. So I have no time right now to complete this flight to make the takeoff, go around. But you can see we are just landed in the runway very safely, using high speed. And we are in the runway ease right now for takeoff, go around. I'm gonna show you in another flight. So thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.